All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I had the fun idea of doing kind of like a tool dump and taking all my tools out and just spreading them out and seeing all that I had, maybe doing a little tool count. So I do have my tool bags and tool belts over there. So that one is Husky, that one's CLC, and that one's Craftsman. But I tried to line these up as best as I could according to brands and stuff like that. So I would be giving you a tool count over here. So if you start over here, it looks like I have 7 Greenlee, including the Unibit. So these 7 right here for Greenlee, 1 Channellox, Benchmade knife, 1 Wera Tools, 1 Dottie, got a Craftsman, or not a Craftsman, 1 Stanley, and 1 Pittsburgh adjustable wrench. I forgot what crescent wrench. And then got 2 of the Southwire fish tape and a GFCI tester. I think I have about 10 of the Milwaukee, so 4 drills. Radio makes it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12, including the charger or whatnot, but mostly Milwaukee for the power tools and tape measures. But most of it is going to be the Klein tools right here, but I guess I do have the Ideal ones up here as well. So got like 8 of the Ideal strippers, which are just all old, and my new strippers right here, which are the Klein ones. But most of my tools are going to be the Klein tools, and I did count those, and it turns out to be about 55, including the bags here, going down all through the screwdrivers and nut drivers, strippers, dikes, hammers, crimpers, cutters, all that stuff. So 55, including the fish sticks back there for the number 55. And then we got about 6 of the Knipex right here. So you got the baby like 4-inch, 7 1/4, 10-inch alligator, and then the 10-inch Cobras. Maybe these are 12-inch, but let's just call them 10-inch for now. Then you got 2 of the gear wrench, which I don't recommend buying because the little tip broke off right there, so I can't use that anymore. So I switched over to Husky. I haven't had a problem with those ever since. So I got 4 of the Husky adjustable quad wrenches, and then the Husky drill socket adapters right here. So 5 of the Husky gear wrench, Knipex, Klein, Greenlee, Channellox, Dottie, Stanley, Fatmax, all that good stuff, Southwire, Milwaukee, 2 DeWalt sets over there, and then 2 Fluke. I actually have that adapter over there, so 3 DeWalt, my bad, and then 2 of the Fluke, 1 for the meter and 1 for the non-contact voltage tester. So those are all my tools. I am skipping Snap-on because those are more like mechanical. I'm not going to include any other tools like basically no razor knives and no writing utensils for pencils and Sharpies. And I am skipping like all the individual drill attachments as far as drill bits and stuff like that in the bottom of this bag over there. So these are all the hand tools that I got. So hopefully you enjoy this. It was fun to take them all out. It's not going to be very fun putting them all back together where they belong in their rightful places, but it was fun to spread them out and check it out. So this is about probably about $3,000 worth of tools. And like I have said, all you basically need is your hand tools, at least for the Union, but anywhere else as well. You might just need to get a drill set for with a drill and impact. So you're probably looking about the hand tools that you need to be an electrician is probably about $750 to $850 for the hand tools, the tool belt or bag of your choice. I included, I think, in the $500 tools, hand tools, and the belt included. So that was $500 and like $250 to $350 for the drill set of your choice. Depends on how much you want to spend on that. So probably about $850 at the most if you're buying all these tools by yourself. But if you know, some companies buy you all your tools and some unions buy you all your tools when you start. So don't be intimidated. This does look like a lot of stuff, but this is about 9.5 years to 10 years on collection. So Yeah, fun stuff. Don't need all this stuff for sure. As you can see, I have like 9 pairs of strippers, 6 pairs of dikes. So a lot of wasted or extra tools there. Definitely upgraded over the years, as you can see, from alligators to cobras and stuff like that, and broken tools and stuff like that. So there is one other tool that I have, another GFCI tester that is ideal, that is broken somewhere. Maybe I threw it away, but I did have like a tool graveyard somewhere, and so I tried to get every single tool out as much as possible that I could find. So this is about everything that I own right here. I might have missed something buried in the house, but that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, everyone. It was a fun video to make. If you got any video suggestions, drop them below. Otherwise, you're just going to be getting what I can think of. So thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Check the description down below for anything else. Check my link tree. I tried to eliminate a bunch of stuff out of the description and put it all in the link tree. So click that first link, and that'll be bringing up a lot of awesome stuff. If you want to check out my tools, other YouTube channels, stuff like that. So just click that if you want to find out anything about me, social media, and then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.